Alright guys, so real quick, here's my hive. Yesterday, I am actually in my bee suit right now, thankfully, but actually you can see honey. I can't really tell with this glare. It's a little shiny glistening, that's actually honey already. It only got put in yesterday, so, I don't know if you can see me, but there's the outfit. And on this one, the first hive, I just got done checking it. I'm still learning how to find the queen, and it's kind of hard when there's probably about 3,000 to 4,000 bees right now. Trying to find a single bee is kind of hard, especially what I'm learning. But I can tell because there are babies, you can actually see the eggs. That would be something else for the future. But when they get very agitated, you can actually smell banana flavors. And on that hive right there, I actually did just smell, as I was finishing up, I smelled the banana flavor, so they were getting pretty upset. And there's actually a little dead bee right in front of it. Ugh, okay. Well, they clean them out. If they die, they just drag them out the front door. So, but I'm looking for the queen. Like I said, I don't know. It's kind of hard to find out of a bunch of bees. So, and these got to be put in a specific way and whatnot. So I don't even know if this is recording, but oh wow. Oh, jeez. They were in the little nucleus box, which is cardboard. They're way out of the yard already from last night. But beeswax all everywhere. Propolis from being at where I got the bees from. But they've already been out on my other hive. I actually saw some bees that were actually coming in the hive with pollen on their legs. You can actually see it, little balls of yellow on them. I don't know if I can actually if I can get them, but they're still learning how to. I don't know if you can actually see them, but I've seen them licking. They were licking me, so obviously I tasted good. But that's actually a drone right up front. That's a drone. That's a male. The ones that are flying trying to get in, those are females. So, but this is the beginning of the the beekeeping. So, and like I said, I'm trying to find the queen. So I couldn't find her last night when I was putting them away. Plus, it was in between thunderstorms and whatnot, so it was kind of quick. But a little more confidence today than last night, kind of putting them in there. But hopefully, I can find them. If not, like I said, I've seen brand freshly laid eggs and larvae and everything else like that. Eventually, I'll have to get Linda out here and she can take video of whatnot, and that would be sweet. So, alright, well, let me get back to prying all this off. They're being bad and not supposed to be on there. It's not supposed to be on the top. Supposed to be on the side. Oh well, but I'm all zippered up. You can hear them buzzing there. But this last frame right here is actually a liquid feeder with sugar water in there. So they've already got. It fits about 1.5 gallons, and they've already got about a quarter drank already. But feeding a lot of bugs though, that's for sure. But all right.